All right, everybody, welcome. We're back with another live stream. We've got a lot about Ethereum ETFs. That's going to be a big topic of discussion. We've got Bitcoin price action, which is obviously always a big topic of discussion, but especially right now with Germany selling their Bitcoin. So we'll be getting into all of that. We've also got some news out of Australia. That's actually really some bullish news. So lot to get to, guys, in this one. Appreciate you guys for coming back here. I'm going to reset up my stream here. Hold on. I'm going to put it near the light. This will be a little bit better. There we go. Okay, hold on. There we go. Perfect. What's going on, everybody? Welcome in. Good morning. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Tuesday, July 9th. So, lot to get into, guys. Welcome. Let me know you guys are here. Hit that like button here on your way in. Let me know you're here in the house. Appreciate you guys. What's up, Rashesh? How you doing? Fire Dozier Mike, good morning to you, man. What's going on? How we doing? So I definitely want to start with the Ethereum ETF news because, you know, our original timeline was right around July 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. We knew that had been pushed back because they were basically still getting all of the S1 applications filed, right? And we just got news actually last night that all spot Ethereum ETF applicants have now filed their S1s. To my knowledge, this is the last thing that we have been waiting for. So this is Fidelity, VanEck, Franklin, 21 shares, which is BlackRock, 21 shares, which is ARK Invest, Grayscale, and then BlackRock. All have filed their S1s for an Ethereum ETF. So that is super exciting. And I think it's very, very imminent now that we will see an Ethereum ETF go live. This is basically the last thing we were waiting for. Now, the market, not necessarily responding in a super bullish way, but we are up a little bit. Ethereum is up over 3,000, which is good to see. Bitcoin is, bouncing way off of where it, dropped to at its lowest point here locally just in the last few days. Remember, we dialed back to like 53,000 and some change. We're up at 57,000 and some change. So definitely moving in the right direction here. Comfortably over a $1.1 trillion market cap with Bitcoin, whereas Ethereum sitting right around $370 billion. Global crypto market, 2.12 trillion. We are still in the fear zone on the fear and greed index, but that tells me what? That it's a buying opportunity right now for sure. So let's see. Video quality is not great. Your camera's extremely bad. Okay, hopefully it comes back into focus. I did not go on the Wi-Fi, but I could switch it on there. Let me know if you guys think it's a little bit better here. Let me know in the chat if this is a better camera setup for you guys. It shows that it's good on my end. Are you in a hotel in Texas? Kind of looks dark there. No, we're not in Texas. Good afternoon, Sunny Holland from Sunny Holland. Nice. Good morning from Florida. Nice. Good morning in Destin, Florida, watching the market push up a tick. Yep, 100%. Good evening from Indonesia. That's awesome. You guys are coming from all over. I love it. It's better. Good morning from India. Nice. Okay, cool. It's better? All right, cool. We'll roll with this. All right, so let's see what we've got for Ethereum ETF news outside of just these S1 filings. Let's see what some of the experts are saying. In terms of some of the fees, it looks like the structure is going to be set up very similar to how Bitcoin was. So primarily, you're looking at like 0.25% fees with a lot of these. Let's see here. A lot of analysts out there saying that the bottom is in now on Ethereum because of the ETF news. We are starting to reverse a little bit on the charts, and that we could see some optimism now in the Ethereum trend. A lot more people rather be long here than short at 2,900 is kind of the narrative that's out there. Let's see here. Grayscale Ethereum Trust from premium to discount in 2 days. So they changed their fee structure. A lot of news regarding that. So let's see here. VanEck was the first, I think, to get their S1 filed, and then news came that everybody else had been doing the same. Let's see what else we've got here. Some of the other top news stories here in the last 24 hours. We'll just highlight some of these. Guys, make sure you guys hit the like button on your way in. We've got almost 200 people with us, which is awesome here to start the stream, but only 32 likes. We gotta bump that up. So hit the like button. There's 3 little dots somewhere on your screen. Hit those, hit the like button, and obviously subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That would be awesome. So what do we got? Ethereum ETF issuers all filed their amended S1s by the SEC deadline. Long-term ETH holders deposit to exchanges indicating signs of recovery, which is good to see. That's kind of where the analysts are coming in, saying that the bottom could be in here for Ethereum. Nobody knows for sure, obviously. But VanEck and 21 Shares also planning a launch of a Solana ETF. That's right. A lot of people now focused on Solana ETFs. This is confirmed by multiple reports out there with their filing with the SEC. That's VanEck and 21 Shares already looking beyond an Ethereum ETF and looking at Solana ETFs. And then just to keep in mind with the Solana ETFs, guys, a 240-day window opens for regulatory approval. So this is probably not something we're going to see this year, in my opinion. This could be early next year that we could potentially see a Solana ETF, at least from the information we have right now. The German government, unfortunately, and really fortunately for us, unfortunately for them, continues to sell off their Bitcoin. 17,000 Bitcoins sold, worth 951 million, marking its largest single-day liquidation and contributing to Bitcoin's price decline. This news obviously has surfacing the last few days. They are selling it over the counter now, which obviously is good for price. It's not having that direct price impact, which is good to see. Please take a look at 100, the only meme coin with utility. Yeah, I've heard about 100 coin before. A lot of people have told me about that in previous live streams and stuff like that. Need to switch connections. Okay, maybe I can get on Wi-Fi here. Let me see here. All right, so stay with me, guys. Video getting bad. All right, Paul, thanks. Guys, bear with me. Stay right here. I'm just going to get... How about now? Is this better? We good now? Let me know if this is better, guys. Okay, better? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Perfect. Sweet. All right, there we go. Good, good, good. Okay, so where did we leave off? The German government selling off 17,000 Bitcoin worth almost $1 billion in a day. And they've been doing this for the last couple weeks now, okay? What do you think about the water meme? Messi promoted this. Had not heard about that. One that I'm invested in from yesterday's Crypto Breakfast Club, which, by the way, we will have the Crypto Breakfast Club coming up at 9:30. So make sure you guys stick around for that. I will go ahead and pin that. I will pin that up here on the comment sections in just a minute. But yeah, we got into one yesterday called Landlord. And the whole thing is like the rent's due and the whole boys club narrative. I got in at about $5.5 million market cap. This morning here, it went up to about 10 million. It's sitting at 7.55 million right now. So we're up a little bit on that investment. There's definitely some high volume, almost 8 million in volume already in the last 24 hours. Over 6,500 holders already. So definitely one to watch here. That's a Landlord. on Solana ending in SFNZ. Not financial advice, but we got in. We got in yesterday after hearing a couple spiels from people in the audience. So just to keep that on your radar. And if you guys are looking forward to another breakfast club today, where there's always alpha, there's always great insight, I'm just going to go ahead and post that and then pin it down there, so it's sitting right there as that pin message. So definitely secure your spot there for 9:30 this morning. Landlord, I bought it on Jupiter, so it's on Solana, so through the Phantom wallet. All right, what other news pieces do we have here? Bitstamp says that they're going to quickly distribute Mt. Gox's Bitcoin to creditors, avoiding the full 60-day wait amid fears of market impact from Bitcoin sales. So that is some news that we have this morning as well. I think that's some interesting tidbit there related to Mt. Gox. Crypto investment products saw 441 million in net inflows last week, reversing 3 weeks of outflows led by 384 million in Bitcoin investments. Golem sent over 100 million in Ethereum to exchanges this past month, significantly reducing their 126,000 ETH reserves, likely intending to sell off a little bit. Also on the Ethereum front, they're hosting a $2 million attackathon, which is a hackathon for 4 weeks, testing security before each hard fork, starting with the upcoming Pectra upgrade. And then, yes, you're right. This is a news piece. Lionel Messi promotes Solana-based water coin on Instagram, aiming to raise awareness for water issues and become an ecological currency. So what is this water coin doing? Let's see. Water coin on Sol. Here it is. That's not the right one. Can't be. There's going to be a lot of fake ones, I'm sure. Yeah, there's a ton of contracts on here. It's got to be this one. The one that's nearly $3. $43 million market cap. Maybe not, though. There's only one bar here. If somebody has the actual contract for that, I'd be curious to see it. Hyperpunk Shorty, who are you? My name's Zach. Who are you? Welcome. We do reach a lot of new people on these vertical lives, so if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. We're here every single Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, talking about crypto, talking about the news, giving you guys all the insight, information that you need. We also put a bunch of videos out every day. We got YouTube Shorts. So definitely subscribe if you guys are new. Yesterday, we had somebody deliver 5 memberships on the channel. That was pretty awesome. There's a member right there. Charles, what's up, man? What's the highlights for the morning? Yeah, that's kind of what we were just going over. I mean, the big one here is Ethereum ETFs, right? That's our big news. All Ethereum ETF applicants have filed their updated S1s. That includes Fidelity, Van Eck, Franklin, 21 Shares, Grayscale, and BlackRock. So that's a really big piece of news for all of us. German government continuing to move billions of dollars in Bitcoin to exchanges. Obviously, they are selling off actively, but they're doing it a little different now over the counter, which is good. That with it's not directly impacting the chart. It limits the impact on the charts there when they do it over the counter. And then we had this big news piece, guys. This is bullish. ASX, which is Australia's largest stock exchange, approves BTXX. That is Australia's new Bitcoin ETF, guys. They have just approved its second spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund in Australia. It's called BTXX, and trading begins on that July 12th. The ETF is managed by Digital X in partnership with K2 Asset Management. This development marks a significant step in crypto adoption within Australia. So that is definitely some really good news, bullish news. Go ahead and follow them on X. There we go. And again, that's Australia's largest stock exchange, approving its second spot Bitcoin ETF. So now they've got two. AI Wolf, another member on the channel. What's up, man? I've been supporting for a year now here and on X. I appreciate you, man. Hamster token. So what I can say about that, it's a super popular game. They're coming out with their token. By the way, there's actually an opportunity to get free hamster tokens right now, based on an affiliate that I have with a company called Margex. So Margex is a leverage trading platform. The link is down below in the description. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, if you sign up today and make a trade, just one trade, you're going to get airdrop free tokens. The more you trade using my link, the more tokens you're going to be airdropped. These are hamster tokens. That's their big special they're running right now. They were running a big special last month for BOEM, Book of Meme, that big meme coin that entered the top 100 out of nowhere. But the whole hamster token thing is going to be interesting because that game is super popular, Amit. So we'll have to see. Yes, Paul. ASI has completed the merge of FET, AGIX, and Ocean, and we're waiting now for trading to go live on a lot of the platforms that are supporting the migration. Very, very much watching that closely. In terms of some of the top gainers, we talked about this one yesterday, guys. Ethereum name service. It's up another 10% today, ENS. This is definitely a highly tradable asset that is very, very volatile. Just under $1 billion market cap. ENS is one that I traded a ton back in 2021, especially with Ethereum ETFs coming. Ethereum name service could definitely pump. Keep an eye on that one and Lido DAO, which is liquid staking on Ethereum. Bakar says Monka S. Nice. Yeah, Monka S. Definitely like this one too. We've partnered up with them for a long-term partnership. They have a great narrative tied to Pepe, obviously. They're sitting just under $3 million market cap right now, Monka S. They did get all the way up to almost a $5 million market cap by the end of June. A little bit of a downturn in the market, but they're still trending in a really, really nice direction. Really good looking chart on Monka S. What else do we got here? What else is going on? What else is up? Anything else? Somebody mentioned Brett earlier. Brett's looking really good in my opinion, sitting at 1.23 billion. I'm looking at it on the 4-hour. Nice little double bottom on the 4-hour, okay, which I love to see. It bottomed out on the 5th or 4th of July, came down to about 10-cent range, and it came down yesterday around 10 cents, and it's bounced off there really nice. Nice little double bottom. I think we can go ahead and make a play, especially if the market stays up here. We could probably go make a play at that 16, 17 cent range. Right now we're at 12.5 cents on Brett, so definitely watching that one closely. I own a lot of it. We bought it at 100 million, and we have been, obviously in the green in that for a while, so it's looking really, really good. Water Meme, you can find it on CoinMarketCap. Okay. It's Water Meme or Water Coin? Kendu's consolidating nicely, getting ready for the next leg up. Yeah, it's been hovering right around that $100 million market cap for sure. It did dip down pretty low back on the 5th. Wow, it actually got down into the 6s. Got down into like $70 million market cap range, but it bounced off there really nice. And I agree. I think we're gearing up now for the next big leg up. At what market cap did you join Kendu? A little over $1 million market cap. That's been probably my biggest win this year because I didn't take, a ton of profit. So I was really early to Donald Trump. I don't know if you guys remember that one. I got in that one at like 500K and it ran up to like 70 mil. But I took a lot of profits. With Kendu, I got in right about $1 million market cap, maybe a little above it. We took some good profits, but we had such a good position there getting in that early, and it ran up so quick. Ran all the way up to $270 million market cap, which is crazy. Now we're sitting right around 100 million. But I do think this paves the way for some new investors into Kendu. They're still actively gaining holders, over 12,000 now on chain. Still good volume. I'd like to see the volume ramp up a little bit. We're at 600K volume. So that's why you guys watch these live streams, because we called that on a live stream very, very early. I think the first time I talked about it on a live stream, it was still only like 3 or 4 million market cap. First time I put it out on X was like a little over 1 million. So that's why you need to be subscribed to this channel and also follow me on X. And of course, my X account is linked down there in the pinned tweet because that's the Crypto Breakfast Club that we got at 9:30 today. So a little over a half hour away from that. BBM is still pumping. Yeah, let's take a look at the BBM chart, Wolfie. That's been a nice steady grow. Bentley Bay memes, yeah, looking really nice. Just under 300K market cap, but it's been just a really nice steady grow. I love it. Looking really good. Thoughts on Okanami, Omikami? Isn't it Okanami, or is this another one? Omikami, is this a different one? 40 million market cap. Check out those websites. Hi from Finland. What's up, man? Zach made it here, LOL. What's up, Joseph? How you doing, man? Hello from Romania. What's up, Daria? Let's see what else we got. Do you think Pepe will get to a $100 billion market cap this bull run? That would be insane. I think he definitely can get back up to like SHIB numbers, right? So SHIB got somewhere between a $40 and $50 million market cap. That's roughly about a 10x from here for Pepe. I think that's definitely in the cards. 100 billion is going to be a little tough, but never say never. It's crypto, right? Just depends on how much retail piles into crypto, toward the peak of the market. That's really what it comes into, because that's who's going to drive the prices of these top meme coins. We saw that back in 2021. Let's see what else we got here. Let's take a look at our aggregator, see if we got some interesting news or any details to share here. Appreciate you guys being here too. Don't forget to hit the like button. Almost at 100 of those. We should definitely be over that. And yeah, we've got about 250 people with us. That's awesome. Why do you never talk about XRP? I talk about XRP quite a bit on the channel, but right now there's not a lot to talk about. I mean, we're waiting for the final decision on the institutional sales side of things, right? And XLM is interesting, but I'd rather own XRP. That's just me. Yeah, landlord. We talked about that on the space yesterday. Somebody came in. I'm loving it, man. Loving landlord. We did buy some yesterday on the space too. Hello from the Third Reich. Third Reich? I don't know what that is. All that crypto won't grow your hairline back. Nope, it won't. And I'm totally okay with it, Ali. Let's see. BlackRock is up to some major moves. Keep eyes on RWAs, especially Ondo. 100%. Yeah, we made a video about that yesterday on the channel. If you guys haven't seen that one, definitely check it out, because their BUIDL fund, BUIDL, has been growing really nicely, steadily for a while now. That thing was just released in March, and they have almost $500 million in that fund already. So they're definitely going all in on RWAs. Ondo's a partner with them. That's why I love it. Ondo and Chainlink are my big 2 RWA plays. I've got some others too, but that's where I'm really concentrated on, is Ondo and Chainlink. Emax in the house. What's up, man? Thanks for being a member here on the channel. Good morning, Big Z. Good morning to you, brother. Hey, Zach, I've recently started trading on Margex, but I've seen a lot of videos saying not to use 100x leverage. And I'm wondering why you wouldn't want to use that much leverage. Well, the more leverage you use, the more risk you're taking. So I would say if you're on 100x leverage, make sure it's a very, very small amount that you can afford to lose, right? Obviously, with more risk, there's more upside, but 100x leverage can be very scary if you're leveraging way more than you can afford to lose, right? So that's really what it comes down to. And not all assets on Margex, you can go up to 100x. Some of them you go up to like 20, 30, 40, 50x, right? The big dogs, you can definitely do 100x leverage there. But it's awesome to see, Logan, that you're over on Margex. And if you guys, again, are interested in Margex, links are down below. That's my top affiliate for leverage trading. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, definitely check it out. We've got a good amount of people trading with us over on Margex now. People seem to really, really like it. So we've got about 40 active traders, which, I mean, active traders I think are categorized as like, 1 or 2 trades a week. We've got quite a few signups, people gearing up for the bull market. So definitely check that out if you guys haven't already. And Margex is running that crazy special right now where if you sign up using my link specifically and make a trade, you're going to get a free airdrop this month of those hamster tokens. It's a new meme coin. Could we enter altcoin season early? Amber, it's a great question. And nobody has the perfect answer or crystal ball here, but I think it's more or less about Ethereum ETFs. When those come out, I think that'll unlock altcoin season a little bit. But it's also about the macro. It's also about inflation. It's also about, the overall economic environment, people having money to spend, right? What the Feds do with rates, that's going to be huge. Once they start printing money again, people are going to have the ability to take more risk. And I don't think it's a good idea that they're going to print money again, but I just think it's going to happen. And in the short term, it could be good for crypto. Really long term, too, because it proliferates the failure of fiat, Is Shiba Inu's dev Ryoshi token? Not quite sure what that means, Omikami. What's your take on Crow with Knife? Big crypto, big meme coin on Kronos. I own a little bit, but not a ton. I definitely got in late to the party there. But I do think Kronos meme coins can make some noise once this market kind of comes back. It's great to see a bunch of new people here, new faces. If you're a new subscriber, let me know in the chat. I want to hear from you, guys. If you're a new subscriber, I want to hear from you. H-bar. Yeah, I like H-bar still. It's just been a slow mover. Is it possible XRP does buyback for $100 a coin? We've heard rumblings of that, Todd, but nothing has been really done about that. It's all been rumors to this point. Do I have any thoughts on AMP or Treasure? Jonathan, I don't own either of those personally. All of that crypto can pay for him to go to Turkey and get a hair transplant, though. Yeah, honestly, I like being bald now. I mean, I don't have a problem with it. It's kind of nice, actually. I don't have to buy shampoo or combs or anything like that. I give myself my own haircuts, save money there. What are your price predictions for ETH and Chainlink for the top of the bull cycle? If Chainlink didn't get to $100 this bull cycle, I'd be shocked. I think it should have got there last cycle, but now with RWAs and CCIP technology, I think Chainlink has a ton of upside. Chainlink to me should be a top 10 crypto without a doubt. Right now it's ranked number 15, $8 billion market cap. I think a 10 to 12x is a very, very feasible target here at current prices. Chainlink's trading at $13.18 right now. And then Ethereum, and these are just rough estimates, right? I would say we could get to, I think a good target is about $7,000 per ETH. It's probably a good target. And that would get us to about $1 trillion market cap on ETH. Added more Caspa to the bag yesterday. Nice, Joseph. Yeah, it's a top 5 holding of mine. When ETH ETF is listed, all ERC20 tokens go kaboom. For sure. It's definitely going to help, the top ERC20 tokens. Keep in mind, what are the top 2 ERC20 tokens? SHIB and Pepe. Right? Those are your top 2 ETH tokens by market cap. Linwood's coming in from Washington, D.C. metro area. What's up, Linwood? I'll say hi to Joe for you. Nice. Good morning, Zach. What's up, Fook? Do they require KYC? Margex? No. Margex does not require KYC. They all eventually will have to require KYC as they get bigger and bigger. This happens with all the leverage trading platforms, but right now there's no KYC. Got to pay your rent before your water bill. Yeah, true. Algorand? Algorand's still interesting. I don't own any right now. There's just been a lot of other faster horses. You look good, bald, Zach. Bald is the way to go. Thanks. Thank you, bro. Landlord signals are looking so good right now. Yeah, 100%. Rents do, right? I liked it yesterday. The guy came on the Breakfast Club and pitched it hard, and I looked into it briefly and decided to drop a little bit in there, but it looks really, really good. Very, very, very high volume, which I love. Good liquidity to market cap ratio. I'm looking at it on the 4-hour. I mean, the reversal that started yesterday, once it bottomed out, I mean, it just looks really, really solid. So I like it a lot. We got the same haircut, bro. Nice. Why would XRP do a $100 buyback? Just wondering. Yeah, Joseph, honestly, that's been my hang up too. It doesn't really make much sense. But maybe some things will come out that do make sense regarding that. I've only seen like stories that say this could happen, but like not why. Top 3 memes right now. Right now for this cycle, now keep in mind, I own SHIB and Doge, but those are kind of like longer term plays that are already kind of OGs, right? I would say there's still some larger cap cryptos that I'm really bullish on that are in the meme coin sector. I'll give you 5 instead of 3, okay? Pepe, I still love Pepe for this cycle. Brett on base. Bobo on Ethereum, which I'm actually looking up here. I'm wondering where it is right now. Yeah, Bobo sitting right at $100 million market cap, still looks really good. So Bobo, Brett, Pepe. I really like Ponky on Solana. It's back up over 41 cents, $227 million market cap. Looks really, really solid. And then last but not least is Kendu. And I'm really starting to like Landlord here. I like Landlord quite a bit here. I think there could be something brewing here that's big. So there you go. There's 6 of them. Land Wolf on Solana. I've done pretty well on that one too. I'm still holding a decent bag. So there's another one for you. Then obviously you can go down the line some smaller caps. Toshi on base is another one I find interesting. This is probably the second largest meme coin on base. Toshi on base, $90 million market cap. Second largest meme coin on base next to Brett. If you guys appreciate all the alpha here, all the news, all the insight, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot to me there as we grow our community here on YouTube. Landlord is collecting rent from all new members. Nice. Same thoughts about Chainlink. Yep. What do you think about Baby Doge and Dogelon Mars? They're both under 200 million market cap right now. Yeah, Jason, these are OGs from the previous cycle. I think they're both decent. I own a little bit of Dogelon Mars, no Baby Doge right now. You just got to keep in mind with meme coins, a lot of people chase the faster horses, right? And what's new and shiny, people love to chase, right? A billion SHIB or 1,000 Chainlink, which would you do? I would say 1,000 Chainlink. And it's not to say I don't like SHIB, but I just think Chainlink is that undervalued right now. Caspa, $3 to $7 price target. That'd be great. I'd be down with that. Zach, do you agree with 10 plus trillion market cap for crypto in 2025? If the market could 5x, I would say 7 or 8 trillion would be a decent guess. 10 is quite a bit. But I'd rather give a price target that gets blown out of the water and I'm pleasantly surprised, right? Where is Turbo? I haven't looked at that one in a while. Strong community too. I do own a little bit of Turbo. I always forget about it, to be honest. Turbo is down to 270 mil. Still looks good. It's trying to find its floor still. That's the only thing. Turbo's been trending down since May 29th. So it's still trying to find its floor. Once it starts consolidating and starts to reverse back up, I think it'll be a really interesting play. Good morning, Zach. Have you heard about the agent layers governance node that can be purchased and used to make passive income? No, Tom. What is that? What's your take on Billy? I don't know about that. EMAC, PayPay. Yeah, PayPay is another one. $85 million market cap right now. Yep. Cody, I traded Bonk twice. I don't own any right now. It's one that I like to trade, not necessarily hold. That's just me personally. But I think Bonk will do well. Nice. Jasmy, SHIB, and Bitcoin for me, my kids. Longs on all of those. Nice. I think AI cryptos are going to have another surge for sure, Amber. I don't think that hype has died down. NVIDIA drove a lot of AI narratives and AI hype, earlier this year and late last year. But I do think we'll get another AI push. This ASI token is going to be interesting to watch. The big merge. Appreciate all the new people rocking with us here. Definitely seeing some new faces and some people who come in here every single day. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. JR says, been your subscriber since 2021. Can you check Swift for me, please? Or SWFT. SWFT. Let's see what this is. Swift coin. $16 million market cap on Ethereum. Trending down. It broke support. So right now, it's kind of a falling knife. I would just be watching it. They do have almost 29,000 holders. Volume's a little low too. But it's interesting nonetheless. Swift blockchain. Decentralized swap and bridge on ETH, BSC, ARB, Tron, Polygon, Solana, and 50 plus chains. Interesting. Okay. Powered by generative AI. Haven't heard about this. I'm liking Shibnobi on base and Bitcoin on base for sure. Marvin, it's been a little underwhelming. But Bitcoin on base, Shibnobi still looking strong as some newer base chain tokens. Bitcoin on base, really solidified itself when it spiked up to 30 million. I think it's got some nice longevity. Joseph's asking, do you think the SHIB team ever is going to really get burns going to a point of making a real difference? Let's hope so, right? We need the automated burns, if anything else, for Shibarium. That would be nice. Charles is a member, says top 10 to buy and hold in your opinion. You mean cryptos in the top 10 or just top 10 cryptos to buy and hold? I'll give you 10 that I like to just long-term plays. These are long-term plays, okay? ETH ETF this week. Tyler, we could see it because all these S1 filings are in. That's what we were talking about at the top of the hour or at the top of the live. But 10 cryptos that I think are long-term plays. I mean, for me, it's no-brainer at the top. Bitcoin, Ethereum. I buy a little bit of Bitcoin every single day. I've been doing that since April 2022. Ethereum, I used to dollar cost average every single day. I don't do it as much now, but I still own a good bag of ETH. And I obviously transact and bring things back into Ethereum when I make money on the Ethereum blockchain. So Bitcoin, ETH. I still think Solana's a good long-term play. That's 3. Dogecoin. I think Doge is a good long-term play. 4. Cardano, I know it gets a lot of hate, but I still own a lot of Cardano. It was a slow mover last cycle. I think it's going to be a slow mover here, a late mover. So that's 5. I think SHIB is still a good long-term play. That's 6. I can give you a lot. Chainlink for sure, 7. Caspa, 8. Pepe, 9. I'm just going down the line here. Not even going to get into the top 40 or outside the top 40 here. Then I would have to choose between like Aptos, Render, and Chronos before I get to the top, before I get outside the top 40. Render's a new blockchain, but a lot of excitement around it. Obviously, you got HBAR in there too. Chronos, I think, has solidified itself as one of the top exchanges now. New blockchain, I think there's a lot to like there. And then Aptos, same thing. New layer 1 coming over from the Facebook group. They branched off and made Aptos and Sui. I actually like Sui a little bit more than Aptos, but that's just me. Sui's a little smaller market cap too, but 1.7 billion to Aptos is what? 2.6 billion. So about $1 billion difference. I think Stacks is another long-term play that I like. STX, bringing Bitcoin, bringing DeFi and smart contracts to Bitcoin. That's sitting at rank number 41, $2 billion market cap. I mentioned Arweave recently. They're still going down, but I still really like Arweave in this cycle. Ondo Finance would have to be in that top 10. Ondo sitting at 1.3 billion market cap. Ondo's the leader in RWA, partnered up with BlackRock. We know RWA is a huge narrative. That's all you need to know, really. I mean, that's enough. Brett, it would be another one, long-term play. Jasmy's really interesting. I think there's a ton of upside there. I'm just going through the top 100 for you guys. I still like Gala a lot. I know that there's been a lot said about the $100 million lawsuit between the 2 founders and all that crap, but still like Gala, especially when the gaming narrative heats back up. Gala and Beam are the 2 in the top 100 in gaming, and then Mira, MYRIA. A few of the gaming ecosystems I like. So, hey, from Australia, doing a great job, mate. Thoughts on Notcoin this cycle? I like Notcoin a lot too. Yeah, Tanya, from what I read yesterday, that Germany was stopping selling on exchanges and they were moving to over the counter. Now, what I couldn't figure out is, was that going to be an all the time thing, or are they doing both? Are they still selling on exchanges and over the counter? I haven't looked at the recent transactions, to be honest, but there was definitely one yesterday that was sold over the counter and not on exchanges, which that's the way to do it if you're going to sell from the German government standpoint. Marco said ENS. Yeah, we talked about that. It's a great one to trade for me. I love that. I love that for trading. Yeah, we talked about render. Ondo equals fire. I agree. I agree. I love Toncoin. I just missed it, man, and I'm not chasing it. Like, I'll wait for it to retrace, and if it doesn't, congrats to everybody making a ton of money. You know, sometimes you have to swallow the pill and just say, you know what, I'm not going to go chase this, even if it continues to go up, and just look elsewhere, because there's always opportunities to find something else that's undervalued. If I can't buy it where I think it's undervalued, then I just won't buy it. And I don't think necessarily Toncoin is undervalued at this point. It's gone up so much, and I just missed the boat. That's just my opinion. Could be wrong. It could shoot up, and I look like an idiot, but that's okay. I'll swallow that and be fine, because I'm going after some other plays, right? Thoughts on dog runes made? I definitely think there's still upside there for dog on runes. Yeah. Guys, we are about 13 minutes away from the Crypto Breakfast Club. The link is down below there. It's the pinned link. Make sure you guys click that link so secure your spot. We go live here on YouTube, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. And then we take it right to X for our Crypto Breakfast Club, where you get to jump up on stage in spaces, and we have conversations. It's not like this one-to-many where I'm just reading comments. You guys get to pile in and jump in and share your thoughts and ideas on the market. So definitely come check us out. Click that link down below, guys. All right. Yes, sir. Breakfast Club coming up. Oh, yeah. Is Michael Saylor going to support Caspa after tweeting a blue Bitcoin logo? I did not see that. Kronos is a sleeping giant. I'm guessing competition with Binance is slowing down their progress, not listing their memes. Yes and no. I mean, there's definitely room for some other top exchanges that have blockchains. Like, Binance doesn't have to be the only one. All right, guys, I'm going to go prep for the Breakfast Club. We're 10 minutes away, so I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave here if you haven't already. Check out that pinned comment there, down there, that blue pinned comment. That will take you right to our X space. That's the Crypto Breakfast Club. We're going to fire it up for a couple hours over there, so I will see you guys over there. Appreciate you guys again, and we will see you over on X.